In this video, we'll go through how to add 3D elements called rooms. We'll also adjust a few things to make the rooms more accurately represent our floor plan. To place my rooms, I go to the Architecture tab and find the Room tool. Alternatively, I can type RM. Before I click to place the room, I want to check on a few things. In my Properties panel, I'd like the upper limit to be second floor. I'd like the limit offset to be 0. I can click to place a room. Notice the blue area encompasses that room element Revit is trying to define. I'll click a few more times, not including the closets. Before I place any rooms on the second floor, I'll double check that property panel. This time I want the upper limit to be top of plate with an offset of 0. I'll click again to place the rooms, avoiding the closets. I'll hit Escape to exit the tool. I can click the tag with a delayed double click and change that room name. Our kitchen and dining room doesn't have a wall to separate the two rooms. Rooms have these things called bounding elements. Because we don't have a wall, we'll need to draw something. I'll go to the Architecture tab and find the Room Separator tool. I'll draw a line somewhere between our kitchen and dining area. I'll hit Escape to get out of the tool and RM so that I can place another room. Notice I didn't tag the closets because I'd like that square footage to be computed by Revit as a part of the bedroom. I'll click on one of the closet walls and uncheck this box that says Room Bounding. I'll see that the closet is now included as a part of the bedroom area. That can help us out later if we want Revit to do some math or filtering for us. There's a few instances only a portion of wall is non-room bounding. Here I'll use my Split Element tool, SL. I can hover over that wall until I see my blue dash. I'll click near the intersection of the closet wall and hit Escape to get out of the tool. Now I can select just the closet wall and change to non-room bounding. I'll check my work by hovering over the tag and press. The last thing with these room tags is change the way they show up on my floor plan. I'll click on a tag and go to Edit Type. From here, I can choose not to show the room number, but the area instead. I'll hit Apply. That's close to what I'd want, but I'd like the text to appear a bit different. To do that, I have to change the room tag. I'll select the tag and say Edit Family from the ribbon. From here, I can select the room name and change the font that it appears. If I go to Edit Type, I can choose Underline. I'll hit Apply. My room name will now be underlined. The last thing, I want to find the square footage. I'll hit Tab until I can select that text, and then Shift nudge with my up arrow on the keyboard until it's approximately where the room number was found. From here, if I load this into my project and close, and overwrite the existing values with parameters, all of my room tags will show up. I'll type WT to see both floor plans and ZA to zoom all. As a reminder, in this video we added rooms. We added a room separation line and changed a few walls to non-room bounding. We also modified our room tag. I hope this helps.